Skoda Auto India has launched the refreshed Superb sedan in the country for the 2021 model year. The new Skoda Superb is priced at 31,99,000 rupees for the Sportline variant and 34,99,000 rupees for the Lauren and Clement variant. All prices are ex-showroom India. For 2021, the Superb aims to be more value-friendly and now comes with adaptive LED headlamps with Follow Me Home function and LED turn indicators as standard. The sedan also gets the virtual digital instrument cluster and an updated infotainment system with a new user interface. The unit comes with inbuilt navigation along with wireless charging as well as wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2021 Skoda Superb also gets 360-degree camera with park assist on the L and K trim. Both variants are offered with cosmetic changes as well, while mechanically the car stays the same. The 2021 Jeep Compass facelift will officially go on sale in India on the 27th of January this year. The company recently unveiled the updated SUV with subtle styling revisions to the exterior, while the interior has seen a complete overhaul in terms of aesthetics and equipment. Jeep India will be announcing prices on the launch date, while bookings for the Compass facelift have begun across the company's dealerships pan-India. Upgrades on the 2021 Jeep Compass include new LED headlamps, 5-spoke alloy wheels, revised LED tail lights, and larger air intakes on the bumper. The cabin now sports a completely new dashboard design with a larger 10.1-inch infotainment system along with Uconnect 5 connected car technology. The cabin also gets a new steering wheel, ventilated seats, wireless charging, 360-degree parking camera, digital instrument console and lots more. The Jeep Compass facelift is expected to be priced from 15 lakh rupees onwards. The year 2020 was extremely challenging for the automobile sector, and we now have a clear picture of what it looked like as passenger vehicle sales dropped by 17.85% year-on-year. According to the data shared by the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers or SIAM, passenger vehicle sales stood at 24,33,000 units between January and December 2020 as against 29,62,000 units sold during the same period in 2019. The near 18% decline has been recorded by the sector for the second consecutive year since passenger vehicle sales were already down in 2019 due to a struggling economy and low buying sentiment. Passenger car sales stood at over 14,32,000 units with a decline of 21%, while two-wheeler sales declined by 23.15% with over 1 crore 42 lakh units sold last year. Collectively, the auto sector sold a total of 1 crore 74 lakh vehicles between January and December 2020, registering a decline of 24.29%.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.